Alright, may I have your attention, please? My name is Alex, and I'll be your conductor for this evening on the Polar Express. Are you all excited? One more time, are you all excited? Tickets, please. There you go. Tickets, please.
This is the Polar Express, a Christmas story by Chris Van Allsburg. On Christmas Eve many years ago, I lay quietly in my bed. I did not rustle the sheets. I breathed slowly and silently. I was listening for a sound a friend had told me I'd never hear. This is the Polar Express. I took his outstretched hand and he pulled me aboard.
Hot chocolate?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
We got it.